How to download apps on Android. This tutorial shows you how to find and install applications from the Google Play Store on your Android device. First, locate and tap on the Play Store application on your Android device. Next, you'll be taken to the Play Store homepage where you can browse various apps and games. Following that, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. Now, type in the name of the app you want to download. Moving forward, tap on the search icon or press enter to see the results. Afterwards, browse through the list and tap on the app you want to install. In addition to that, you'll see the app's details page with screenshots and reviews. Once you're on the app page, tap on the install button to begin downloading. Subsequently, the app will start downloading and installing automatically. Moreover, you can see the download progress in the notification bar at the top. Afterwards, wait for the installation to complete. Then, once installed, the install button will change to open. Within this section, tap on open to launch the app immediately. Alternatively, you can find the app icon on your home screen or app drawer. Once the app is installed, you can access it anytime from your device. Then you can repeat this process to download as many apps as you need. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you download apps on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.